Why do some people's hair grow slow? Other than age, hair can grow slower due to health conditions, vitamin or nutrient deficiencies caused by a poor diet, stress, hormonal imbalances, certain medications, and even excessive heat damage from everyday styling. How long does hair grow in one day? Ignoring these perceptual differences, human hair grows at a fairly consistent rate of about half a millimeter per day, or about half an inch each month. More specifically, the study says hair grows at 0.44 millimeter per day. Depending on your age, hair may grow faster or slower. Today, I'm gonna share to you what is my secret, how come in just 1 month my hair grew about 2 inches.
Everyone, are you guys getting bored with your hair because it grows slowly? And you want some help because you want to make it grow faster and healthier? Well, MamaGhairtips is here for you guys. I will advise you with all my experience, but please don't expect in just overnight, in just one click, it's a magic. No, it doesn't work like that. You will not apply what I will tell you and tomorrow you will have a long hair. No, it's a process, guys. So you have to apply this what I will tell you 2 times a week and you will see the result in 1 month. Okay, are we clear? Okay, so that's the process. Okay, so are you guys interested? Would you like to try? Well, let's start. So you have to apply this one. So this is an oil, a castor oil. So this one really helps you guys to make your hair grow faster. So I apply this one 2 times a week, okay, before taking my shower. So I apply this one before taking my shower so my scalp will absorb the castor oil. So I let it like 30 minutes to 1 hour, okay. So I do my workout, you know, and then after that, guys, I will take my shower normal routine, shampoo, conditioner, and after I will rinse my conditioned hair with red water. So what is this red water? So this red water is a rosemary water, guys. So you have to boil the rosemary leaves and it will give you a red water, okay. So this is just a short story, guys. So we have a lot of rosemary in our garden and I don't want it serves for nothing. So I tried to search on Google. So what is the benefits of rosemary? So maybe you know rosemary. It's good for it's good for cooking. You know, like cooking steak. You know, putting some rosemary. So it will give you a nice smell. You know, nice aroma. So also, guys, for hair. So this one, it's really effective to make your hair grow faster. So a while before, guys, I also made an oil of this. After I saw a trending video about this rosemary red water, rinsing water, so I tried it, guys, and it's really, you know, effective and it's really different. Your hair is very shiny like crazy, you know, like crazy. It really gives shine to your hair. So okay, after I conditioner my hair, I wash with rosemary water, guys. So yeah, I wash my hair and then my scalp also. So why? What is the benefits of rosemary water?
Rosemary rinsing water for hair growth helps to hydrate and soften hair, give deep nourishment to accelerate hair growth in a fast, while also reducing hair damage and hair loss. It is made up of boiling water, safe and effective, non-cruelty, preservative-free, remote hair growth by rejuvenating hair follicles, giving you amazing result in the shortest amount of time. It also improves dry and damaged hair, repairs split ends, prevents breakage, and promotes healthier and thicker hair, suitable for all hair types with perfect and healthy hair loss solution.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm telling you guys, this is very effective because, you know, last month I just cut my hair. You know, my hair is until here. Okay, yes, until here, guys, and I cut my hair like this. Okay, just like this. This is serious. So imagine I win this already. Imagine, but you really just have to make an effort. Every time you take your shower, you have to boil rosemary water. It's crazy, guys. It's really boost your hair to make it grow faster. So yeah, I hope you guys you will try it and it will be effective to you. Just make an effort, guys, extra effort, and you will have a long beautiful hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. I have a lot of videos, guys, hair tips. You can visit my channel. So yeah, see you again in my next vlog. Bye.